Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see who shared your reel on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Instagram application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now you want to head on to your profile. So tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Here, select Reels and you will see all of your uploaded Reels right here. So to see who shared your reel on Instagram, you want to tap on specific reel. And you will see the paper icon just right here in the bottom right corner of the screen. And if someone shared your reel, you'll see a number there just below the share icon, so you will know how many people shared your reel. But as of now, there is no feature in Instagram that you can see the exact person or the specific person who shared your reel. But maybe there will be an update in the next time or later that Instagram will add for you to see who exactly shared your reel. So that's basically how you can see who shared your reel on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.